These three pieces of MDF board are meant to be condemned and thrown away, but I'm trying to let you know that they are still useful. As far as this framing business is concerned, nothing is a waste. Okay, the leftover are useful in one way or the other. That's what I'm trying to inform you. Okay, see how I'm going to join these three pieces of MDF board. What I'm cutting right now is the profile. I am using saw without handle. I'm using it to cut the T profile according to the size of the MDF board. As you can see, I measured and cut. Then what I'm using right now is sandpaper to smooth the rough cuts. Just be watching my moves. Then after cutting, you use adhesive. What I'm applying inside the T profile is adhesive, gum adhesive. That's what I apply and press it in between the pieces of the MDF board. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Okay, checking whether they are in order, they are good. Then after, you look for something heavy, something that has weight, and keep on top of it. Just like adding force on the T profile for them to be gummed and attached strongly. Then leave them undisturbed. Okay, leave it for some time to gum. As it's gumming, you'll be seeing foam. You can see foam, right? Just leave it until the foam hardens. Then you will remove those heavy things and use scrape to scrape them out. You can see what I'm doing. I'm scraping those foams. Please, if this is the first video you're coming across in this channel, please subscribe. We only talk about picture framing, photo framing, picture enlargement. Anything concerning picture enlargement, you will find it in this channel. Do me a favor to subscribe for you to be updated anytime I drop a video. You can see how neat it is. Okay, I'm done. It is now ready to frame a picture. This is 16 by 20 inches. You can use it to frame your picture. Please help me to share with others. Love you guys.